Let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you said this to yourself? Once I have more money, I'll start living the life I actually want. Once I pay off this debt. Once I get that raise. Once things settle down a little. I used to say that too. Every single month. And every single month, nothing changed. Not because I was lazy. Not because I didn't want it bad enough. But because I believed the biggest lie that nobody talks about. That building your dream life requires a lot of cash first. It doesn't. And today, I'm going to prove that to you. With 3 secrets that most people never figure out until it's way too late. Stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you're going to see your situation completely differently. Set the scene. Make them feel seen. Here's the thing about being 35 in America right now. You're not a kid anymore. You've got real responsibilities. Maybe a mortgage, maybe kids, maybe just the weight of feeling like you should have your life more together by now. And you open Instagram or TikTok and you see people traveling to Bali, starting businesses, living in these beautiful homes, and you think, how are they doing that? Do they have rich parents? Did they win the lottery? Did they find some secret I missed? Some of them. Yeah, honestly, they had a head start. I'm not going to lie to you, but a lot of them, way more than you'd think, started exactly where you are, with a regular paycheck, with bills, with responsibilities. The difference wasn't money. The difference was how they thought about building, and 3 very specific things they did differently. Let's get into it. Secret number 1. Design your dream life before you spend a single dollar on it. This sounds obvious, but almost nobody actually does it. Here's what most people do instead. They earn money. They spend it on whatever feels good in the moment, and then they wonder why they're not getting anywhere. It's like driving a car with no destination. You're moving, you're burning gas, but you have no idea where you're going. The people who build amazing lives, without necessarily having huge incomes, they do something different. They get specific, almost obsessively specific, not just, I want a nice house, but what city? What neighborhood? How many bedrooms? What does your kitchen look like on a Tuesday morning? Are you drinking coffee alone in silence, or is it loud and full of kids running around? Not just, I want financial freedom, but what does your Monday look like when you're financially free? What time do you wake up? What work are you doing, or are you not working at all? This level of specificity is free. It costs you $0, but it is the foundation of everything. Because here's what happens when you get specific. Your brain starts looking for pathways. It's called the reticular activating system, your brain's filter. Right now, your brain is filtering out thousands of pieces of information every second. But once you give it a clear target, it starts noticing opportunities, connections, and resources it completely ignored before. Action step, and I want you to actually do this. Grab a notebook, not your phone, an actual notebook, and write down what your ideal day looks like 5 years from now. Morning to night. Be embarrassingly specific. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing for work? What does your body feel like? This exercise is free. It takes 20 minutes, and it is more powerful than any savings account you could open today. Because you can't build something you haven't designed. Secret number 2. Your skills are worth more than your savings right now. I know that sounds backwards. We've been taught our whole lives. Save money, invest money, grow money. And yes, that matters. Absolutely. But here's the problem with that advice for most people at 35. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, or you only have a few $100 to invest, your savings account is not going to change your life anytime soon. At 4% interest on $2,000, you're making $80 a year. That's not going to move the needle, but a skill can change your income in 90 days. Think about this. What skill, if you got really good at it over the next 3 months, could you offer to someone for $500, for $1,000, for $2,000? Copywriting, video editing, social media management, sales, web, design, bookkeeping, tutoring, coaching. The list is genuinely endless. And here's the beautiful thing about learning skills in 2025. It's almost completely free. YouTube, free courses, online communities. You can learn almost any skill without spending $1. I want to give you a real example. Let's say you spend 30 minutes a day, just 30 minutes, learning video editing over the next 90 days. By month 3, you're good enough to charge local businesses $300 to $500 to edit their promotional videos. 2 clients a month, that's $600 to $1,000 in extra income. That's not life-changing overnight. But here's what that money does when it's intentional. It becomes your dream life fuel. You're not spending it on random stuff. You're building something. And here's the deeper truth. When you invest in skills, you're not just making more money. You're becoming a different person, a more confident person, a person with options. And options are what freedom actually feels like. Action step. Write down 3 skills you've always thought about learning. Then Google how to make money with that skill as a beginner. Pick the one that excites you most. Commit 30 minutes a day for 90 days. That's it. No money required. Just time and consistency. The dream life you want is on the other side of skills you haven't built yet. Secret number 3. The people around you are either building your dream life or quietly killing it. This one is uncomfortable. I know, but it's the most important one. Think about the 5 people you spend the most time with right now. Not who you wish you spent time with, who you actually spend time with. Are they building something? Are they growing? Are they talking about ideas and opportunities and possibilities? Or are they mostly complaining about their jobs, watching Netflix every night and spending money they don't have on things they don't need? I'm not saying cut everyone off. I'm not saying your old friends are bad people. But the research on this is absolutely clear. You become the average of the people closest to you. Your income, your habits, your mindset, your ambition. All of it is heavily influenced by your circle. And the good news? You don't need money to upgrade your circle. In 2025, you have access to communities that didn't exist 10 years ago. Free Facebook groups, Reddit communities, Discord servers, local meetups, networking events, LinkedIn, podcasts where the host literally invites you into their world for free. Start showing up where the people you want to be like are showing up. Comment on their posts. Send genuine messages. Ask smart questions. Add value before you ask for anything. One relationship, just one, can open a door that changes your entire trajectory. A job referral, a business partner, a mentor who's already been where you want to go, an introduction to someone who introduces you to someone else. This is how most successful people actually got there. Not from a savings account, from a phone call, from a coffee meeting, from being in the right room. Action step. Find one community, online or local, that's full of people building the kind of life you want. Join it this week. Introduce yourself. Show up consistently for 30 days. Don't pitch anything. Don't ask for anything. Just be present and add value. Your dream life is already being lived by someone. Go find where they hang out. Bring it home. So let's recap the 3 secrets real quick. Secret 1. Design before you dollar. Get embarrassingly specific about what your dream life actually looks like. It's free. And it's the foundation of everything. Secret 2. Skills are your new savings. Invest your time into building one valuable skill. It can change your income in 90 days without spending a dime. Secret 3. Your network is your net worth. Upgrade your circle intentionally. Find your people. One relationship can change everything. None of these secrets require you to have money first. They require you to make a decision. A decision that today is the day you stop waiting for conditions to be perfect. Because here's the truth. Conditions will never be perfect. But you can start building anyway. If this hit home for you, drop a comment below. Tell me which secret you're starting with. I read every single one, and if you know someone who needs to hear this, share this video with them. You might literally change the direction of their life. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.